CMS പ്രസിഡന്റ്. മൂപ്പനോട് പറഞ്ഞു, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ജോലി വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ജോലി തരാം, പക്ഷെ CMS ആണ്, CSI ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പാത്ര കേസോ യാക്കോബയായിട്ട് ഗുണമൊന്നുമില്ല, എന്നാ CMS ആയിട്ട്
തിരുമേനിയുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ വന്ന ചേട്ടന്റെ മകനാ ചാക്കോ. അപ്പൊ തിരുമേനി ഇവിടുത്തെ പള്ളിയൊക്കെ വെച്ച് അവിടെ
പഴയ പള്ളി
പള്ളിയില്
So then we came to Trivandrum to start the Malayalam press. My great-grandfather. Malayalam press. That is the Achukkuda. It is called Achukkuda. So then he came here. There was no other church at that time.
Oh, and he joined it.
The nearest church. The house is here, no?
Right.
This is a family house. So it might have been. We do not know. We do not know the history. He might have started walking there, walked to church. So, and that time there were no other church. This is the first church, no?
Right. And there were the Anglicans were there, I think.
Only for British.
Yeah.
This is called Palayam. Palayam means the place where the soldiers are staying. Like the Vantavu or the soldiers.
Oh, I see.
That is called Palayam in Malayalam.
Oh.
So that is why this area is called Palayam. Anna Palayathu മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ പട്ടാളക്കാർ. ചെന്ന് പാങ്ങോടൊന്നുമില്ല. Then only they shifted to Pangod. So Palayam Church. This was the first church in Trivandrum. Then only came the other churches.
The St. Joseph's.
Everything. So he might have become a member there.